MES Ponnani College holds the legacy of adding golden leaves in the educational, social and cultural renaissance history of Ponnani. It has been more than half a century since the college started functioning as a port of knowledge for this educationally and economically backward region. MES Ponnani College has played a pivotal role in transforming the academic profile of Ponnani and has been instrumental in the progress Ponnani has made in all fields, especially in women's education and empowerment of fisher folk. Established in 1968 by the Muslim Educational Society, one of the largest educational agencies in India, our college has become triumphant in recovering the lost glory of Ponnani and in rejuvenating it as a seat of learning. As a crowning achievement, the college has been re-accredited with A grade. The college offers 3 PhD programs, 5 PG and 10 UG programs. 26 faculty members are PhD holders, and there are 15 research guides and 30 research scholars. The college is a partner institution of IIC under Ministry of Education. The college has 48 linkage and 81 collaborations with eminent institutions. The college has taken great strides in every facet, especially in learning and research, the outcome of which has proved advantageous for the development of region. Worth mentioning are the contributions of the departments of geology and aquaculture and fishery microbiology. The college offers various skill development programs which equip the students for their higher education and employment. The college has highly sophisticated infrastructure that goes a long way in meeting the requirements for academic activities. The college offers an adequate number of spacious classrooms, highly equipped labs like petrology lab, museum, hatchery, research rooms and seminar halls for carrying out academic activities proficiently. All classrooms and laboratories are ICT enabled with LCD projectors to integrate technology in the teaching-learning process. The college has well-maintained computer labs, network resource center and 195 computers are installed in different centers. The college has a well-equipped language lab, e-content development center and a recording and editing studio. The Deep Focus Audio-Visual Theatre provides a facility to watch films and documentaries. Theta Campus Radio not only entertains the students but gives them an opportunity to exhibit their artistic talents. MES Ponnani College has a full-fledged library with about 38,000 books and also maintains an online depository with access to 31 lakhs e-books. Library has a collection of rare books including Thaliolas. Premarital Counseling Center under Minority Welfare Department, Government of Kerala functions within the campus. Pattemari Heritage Museum, which announces the rich cultural yesteryears of Ponnani, bestows the students and the public with an opportunity to travel back to the glorious past of this historical land. EK Auditorium, MSK Hall, Nila Open Air Theatre, Debate Corner, Canoli Open Stage, Urup Square, Cycle Square and Union Corner set the stage for fostering the cultural activities. The Physical Education Department has sufficient facilities including kabaddi court, cricket net practice pitch, volleyball court, football ground, soft tennis and badminton court, yoga practicing arena and tug-of war court. The well-equipped fitness center working in sport complex is really helpful to teachers and students in their fitness drive. The vast college ground is the venue for conducting sports and games competitions and practice. Daycare, girls' room, boys room, boys hostel, ladies hostel, staff recreation room, Gandhi chair, community health center, university information center, Sagara community outreach center, Dr. P.K. Abdul Ghaffur chair for research, innovation, technology and culture are some other highlights of the college. Green initiatives of the college like Shanti Sthal, Herbal Garden, the Butterfly Garden, Alumni Green Corner, Campus Eco Park, etc. are outstanding. The whale skeleton collected from Ponnani coastal belt is well exhibited in front of the campus. Thus seen from all angles, MES Ponnani College is resolutely and steadily marching towards excellence, and its reflections are visible in progress Ponnani has achieved in all walks. Like the full breadth and depth of the ocean, like the nourishing traditional culture of Nila, Ponnani's past, present and future are inseparably tied to MES Ponnani College.